At breakfast, there's a lot of people because it's time to get ready to go to the park. So we got sausage and cheese blintzes with blueberry compote on the side. We have grits with cheese. Coming around this side, we've got warm cinnamon rolls with cream cheese icing and people over there. We've got cereal. Ice cream is still here. We've got yogurt, I guess it's being, we've got yogurt with some toppings, house-made granola, fruit that looks amazing. We've got smoked salmon and hard-boiled eggs, pastries, breads, bagels. The beverages are still here. Excuse me. It's very busy in here. We've got the coffee, we've got tea, and then we have orange juice and pog juice and cranberry juice. What'd you get for breakfast?
Cereal, it's frosted flakes. I finished my blueberries, but there was blueberries. And I just took a big bite of my muffin.
How's your cheese blintz?
Good.
Yeah, I got a little bit of everything and some pog juice. There it is. And some coffee. Christian, how's your breakfast? Was your yogurt with granola and citrus blossom honey good? Yeah. Daddy?
I haven't had the leaves yet, but they're really good. I really like the grits. The grits are really good. You got good cheese. You can add as much as you want. So
it's kind of crazy in here because it is only
just after
8:21. People are getting ready to leave for flights and going to the parks. We're not.
I got the best of white drinks, creamer.
Yeah, it's half and half. So technically there is some milk in it, but it is half cream. Anywho, we are not really in any kind of hurry today. We're gonna get the most out of our sit down. Isabella, you're in the way. Some club level, but it's already starting to thin out in here because it opened at 7 and people are leaving for flights. It's always nice to hear the wind when? On a cruise, but we're not on a cruise.
Yeah.
I told Daddy this morning though that being club level is kind of like a cruise because all the food up in the lounge is included. You gonna use your magic band? Go ahead. Stone Harbor, floor 5. Oh yeah, launch pads, airplane. We popped into the solarium. It's nice, right? It's quiet. There. Oh, yeah, I took a picture of it. Okay. Try not to get too many other people. It's not on right now, but there's a TV with some little chairs. Nice waiting area if you're like waiting for your Uber or your Mears Connect or whatever to go to the airport. Or even if you're like not having a park day when you first get here and you're just wanting a nice quiet place to sit before your room's ready. How's the chair, Bells? Comfy? All right. Well, Bella, look over there. See where that over there is where you could see into. Ow, that hurt. Sorry. Got some time to kill, a little bit of time before the lounge opens for light snacks. So we're hanging out on the beach. Bella's playing in the sand. The sand's nice and warm. It's like being at a real beach. And the boys are hanging out on the swing. Bella's eating cheese and watching Bluey. Christian's eating cheese.
And watching Bluey.
I got some asparagus and some whipped goat cheese with cranberries and walnuts. And we got some chips that we're gonna take to the park with us, and an ice cream sandwich.
You should try a cheddar and Swiss cheese together.
Cheddar and Swiss cheese together. I'm gonna grab a few things to take to the park because we're not super hungry because we had a later breakfast, but we want to take advantage of being able to come in and grab food. Are we?
Animal Kingdom.
We were just here not that long ago.
Yeah, and Mommy's at Dog Homemade Meow
It was less
Meow
hot that day.
Same place.
Oh, too close. It was also less crowded because we came at like 5 o'clock. But we're gonna do a few things, kill some time before our other hotel becomes available.
The greater kudus, the dark brown friends, are the bongos. Both male and female bongos have horns, so we can't really use that to distinguish them. But with greater kudus, only males have horns, so we know that these are females.
Oh my god, look at that face.
Oh.
I wish I had my camera out actually.
Military animals, they don't hang out with others unless absolutely necessary. Like if they have young ones or it's mating season. They average about 3,000 pounds. So they're not the largest species of rhino, but they're definitely up there. Mating season to create neighborhoods. Call it colonial nesting. It's pretty specific to them. They are carnivores and reptiles.
Crocodile.
Make sure we're staying seated back there. They will memorize each other's stripe pattern to imprint on one another, so they can always come back to the same family members in their herd. Sleeping in their den are the African painted dogs. Distantly related to our canine friends at home, they are the most successful predators on the savannah. They have the higher success rate than both lions and cheetahs because they hunt in packs like wolves. And similar to wolves, they have an alpha that leads their pack, helps them to work better together as a team.
Enjoy your nap.
Beast. They're hanging out with a few of their cousins. These sable antelopes are the reddish-brown friends. They have very unique horns that point backwards so they can protect themselves from predators that might try to jump on their back. And over here is the eland. Elands are the largest species of antelope. Both male and female elands have those horns.
Fitness meal and beautiful.
Kind of. And the way they spring up into the air is they can jump 6 feet vertically and 13 feet horizontally. Another one of those elands over here. Hanging out with the zebras.
Eland found shade, found some chew.
Hello, rainbow.
I see giraffes.
Coming up on the Maasai giraffe.
A whole bunch of them. The whole tower of
These
them.
giraffes get between 18 and 20.
See all 7 giraffes.
They're having a chew. Look at them. Look at what their friends back
This is an African elephant.
So back to the so was so cute.
elephants are the largest land mammals on Earth. You might notice that he's spraying the water into a little hole under his foot. He's making mud to then spray on himself afterwards to protect himself, kind of like a natural sunscreen.
That's really cool. What can I say?
The honey is best.
Yeah, if you cut them like at an angle,
That's
like
yeah.
they'll actually like.
What? There's elephants over there.
Oh, yeah. We get to be a ball.
We're coming up on the greater flamingo.
Flamingo.
These
And ducks.
flamingos get their pink coloration from the brine shrimp that they eat. Brine shrimp has beta carotene in it that gives them their pink color. White
They're under the
rhinos get their name
tree.
from the Afrikaans word vite, which means wide, refers to their wide mouth. Most rhinos have 2 horns on their face. Those horns are made of keratin. It's the same stuff that your fingernails and your hair are made of. Inside that fern are 2 cheetahs.
Do you see the cheetahs? One's tail's
Cheetahs are the
moving.
fastest land mammals. They're not a species of big cat though because they can't roar. Warthogs are actually very closely related to domesticated pigs. They're very smart and like to reuse the dens that other animals dig out.
What's up, ostrich?
Now we've got a few friends over here. The waterbuck, a species of antelope. Only males of their species have horns. These are some ostriches. Ostriches are the largest flightless birds and the fastest 2-legged creatures. So they can run up to 45 miles an hour. And then there were some more of those white rhinos hanging.
Solitary, quiet animals. They like their alone bubble.
Me too.
And you believe she lives at Disney World. It's a lot of paparazzi.
Hello. Christian was being a meerkat yesterday.
What? Not do what? Ow. What?
Don't try and find
How about manners? Oh, here comes another one.
Oh, it's fun.
a nice water glass.
Mm-hmm.
That's a really fun. Oh, the right there. That's the
Hello, Batty.
It's coming out.
It's not coming out, it's moving its wings. It's a double fence, it's kind of hard to see. Can't really get it to focus, but there's a bat. 2 bats that you can see in the frame right now. Hi, Tiggy.
Over here.
Hello, birdies. Did you not see both of them? Some big birdies.
Look at me.
This Tiggy's not taking a nap, but it's hanging out in the shade.
Hello, buffalo.
Hello.
Hello, and buffalo.
Staying cool, but still eating. Snacking by the pool. Snacking in the pool.
Snacking by the pool. Snacking in the pool.
Hello, Tiger. Tiger.
Yeah, tiger. Yeah. Tiger. Where does the kitty get that in here? What, does it smell like
It's looking at me. We have arrived at our next hotel. We're staying at the Disney Springs Drury, and we have a very nice view.
of the pool
Of the
and
pool.
fireworks and drone show.
Maybe. There's the pool. We are on the 11th floor currently. Did you guys have fun at Animal Kingdom?
Yes. Yeah.
Before you stop recording, can you give it to me for a second so I can show everyone Evie?
Yeah. Anyway, Animal Kingdom. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
What was your favorite animal we saw?
Okapi.
Grass.
The grouse? Or whatever. The bird with the red head.
Yeah.
Did you have fun? We were only there for a couple hours
Ah.
to kill some time and to, you know, get another park day in on our annual pass. We were there for like 2.5 hours. We went to Disney Springs and bought Christian and my combined birthday present. It's in the car, so we can't show it right now.
We'll show it later.
Yeah, after it's
Maybe
built.
if you go on a thing called Facebook, you can find a picture of it in the future.
Maybe.
I will sit on the screen.
Evie and Stitch came this time too.
Uh-huh.
We are sitting here in our room, the fireworks view room, which we're hoping we can see the Epcot fireworks, which I know we can see them from this hotel. We've watched them from the elevator lobby before. And we're hoping we might be able to get to see some of the new drone show, Dreams That Soar, from Disney Springs. Where all those colorful lights are over there, that's Disney Springs. We are technically staying in Disney Springs, and then right there in the middle is Epcot. So I guess we'll see what we see. We turned the lights off in the room, as you can see, and they both start at 9 o'clock, and it is
1 minute.
1 minute, so I guess we'll see what happens. Whoa!
It's a clock
that's-
tower.
Look at it! Peter Pan! We don't get the music, but that's okay, because if we had the music, we'd have to put it different music over it anyway.
And we'd have to deal with a whole lot of people.
Yep, but we can watch this and the Epcot fireworks at the same time. Dumbo! Bella, watch out, your head keeps getting in the way.
Dumbo's flying.
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
That's pretty cool, right, kid?
What is
Look it up. That's pretty cool.
Yay! Leaves and a tree.
Yeah. That's what,
Pegasus.
No, it's
No.
Pepita.
yeah. Now it switches into Dante before he changes.
Dante.
Hi,
Dante.
Dante.
Wally and Eve. Star.
Star. Diffy Star.
Look at the lasers. It's kind of hard to see on the video, but you can sort of see it. Again, I mean, we're not super close to either of these things, but we can see them both. I'm sure, I know the video is not the greatest quality. It's not like if we were there, but the show at Disney Springs has only been going for like a week now.
Yeah.
At the time of recording, it's June 1st. So, there have been crazy crowds, and we didn't want to try and deal with that. Not a show that starts at 9 o'clock at night. So, getting to watch the fireworks and the drones at the same time is really cool. Baymax!
Yay!
And, we paid extra for the fireworks view room. Every other time we've had a room facing the parking lot. So this is pretty cool. It's worth, it wasn't even that much more.
It wasn't, no.
So
It was only $10 more.
it might have actually only been $10 more.
Yeah.
It's Super Baymax.
Yeah. He's flying with wings.
We got Guardians of the Galaxy mixtape. And then that part's the silhouettes of the different Guardians.
You can see him pretty well.
Yeah. I mean, it's really cool.
Yeah. Like you said, even if we were there in person, we'd have to go over the music because it's copyright, so this is just as good.
Yeah. And the thing about the Epcot fireworks, we watched them last night and we could only see the high up stuff, and we were right outside Epcot. If you're down on the ground here, or Buzz Lightyear,
Buzz
that's the
Lightyear.
2 seconds Buzz gets in the show.
Mm-hmm.
If you are anywhere really but Mary Poppins, anywhere but Epcot, you can only see the high up stuff. So you got to be on at least like the 6th or 7th floor here to see the Epcot fireworks, because we are a fair distance from the actual park. Sisu.
Yay.
I think that was Figment. It was hard to tell.
Yeah.
That one, is that Chicken Little?
No, that's the Disney Junior superhero show. Three
Wonka.
fairies.
Yeah, the free good fairies.
Their names are Flora, Fauna, and Merryweather.
Flora, Fauna, and Mary.
There's Figment.
There's Figgy.
Figment. Damn, miss you, Figment.
Mando!
And
Grogu.
Grogu.
orange bird, Pegasus.
I think that's the launch pad too.
It might be launch pad. Yeah.
Who is that?
That's the princess from Bug's Life. Genie.
Genie.
Star.
Star from Wish.
Tinkerbell.
Yes, Tinkerbell.
Should be going into the.
Yeah, because the drone show's only 10 minutes long.
Should be finishing up with the name right here.
Backwards Dreams, that's Soar. But if you were at Saratoga Springs, it'd be backwards too. It's literally only set up to be for that part to be seen from Disney Springs. Because it is a Disney Springs
Great.
trip.
That's so. Those are kind of upside down.
They're backwards.
backwards.
As well.
Oh.
You still Daddy's hat? Bella, it's almost the end of the fireworks. Every once in a while last night, you could hear the music from the fireworks outside the park because it's not that loud.
We saw the Eiffel Tower. Eiffel? Where? From the hotel we were staying at last night. During the day you were there. Where? Here. It's the finale.
The fireworks look much bigger to the actual eyeball and not the camera.
Yes.
It's funny how cameras and eyeballs work. Someone needs to invent a camera that sees exactly as the human eye does.
Okay. Just wait a couple of years. And by a couple, I mean maybe perhaps 10. Yeah, there you go. It'll work properly, like a human eye does. Maybe I'll invent it when
Are you watching because it's the end of the fireworks?
Right, it's the finale. Upside down heart.
They really like those all go to the center at the same time ones. It's been in every fireworks show.
Lots of fireworks all at once. Oh my gosh. That was the finale.
Okay, guys, it's not like super clear, but we can also see the Magic Kingdom fireworks from here.
Oh.
How cool is that? Drone show and 2 fireworks shows all in one room. I like it. The very bright building is the contemporary, So obviously this video is not good of the fireworks, but we can see them.
Yeah.
We can see them.
If you
If we
ever
were any lower, we wouldn't be able to.
Mm-hmm.
But that's, there we go, that's a little better. The light was coming from the pool. But yeah, how about that? We can see them.